Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tell you about another world-leading contractor that is working in Jamaica. This is a Spanish contractor called Sampol. Now they don't do roads and buildings, they are one of the leading electrical engineering and energy infrastructure contractors in the world. And they have worked on numerous mega projects in Jamaica. So today we are going to give you an update on this mega contractor and the work that they are doing in Jamaica. Now currently Sampol is working on the energy infrastructure for the Unico hotel out in Montego Bay. And that hotel is going to be 100% energy efficient. It won't be connected to the JPS grid. They are putting in their own infrastructure for energy, and Sampol is doing it. And Sampol has worked on numerous hotels across Jamaica. Sampol is a major Spanish engineering, energy, and infrastructure contractor that has become increasingly active in Jamaica's tourism, airport, and energy sectors. Founded in Spain in 1934, the company specializes in electrical engineering, renewable energy systems, airport infrastructure, telecommunications, hotel installations, and power generation projects. Sampol operates internationally across Europe, Latin America, the Caribbean, and North America, with Jamaica now forming an important part of its Caribbean operations. The company is not a traditional civil engineer focused on roads and buildings. Instead, Sampol is known for highly technical infrastructure systems including energy plants, airport systems, hotel mechanical and electrical installations, telecommunications networks, renewable energy projects, data centers, smart control systems, HVAC and cooling infrastructure. In Jamaica, Sampol has built a strong presence, mainly through the tourism and airport industries. The company has worked on several major resort developments and infrastructure systems tied to Jamaica's expanding tourism economy. Among the company's most notable Jamaican projects is work connected to Royalton Negril. Sampol participated in engineering and systems infrastructure for the luxury resort development as part of its regional hotel portfolio. The company has also worked on projects involving Hotel Rio Palace Jamaica, one of the major all-inclusive resorts in Montego Bay. Sampol has additionally been involved in infrastructure and systems works at Bahia Principal, Runaway Bay Resort, which is the hotel we're looking at now, and Grand Palladium Jamaica Resort and Spa. These projects involve complex hotel engineering systems such as energy infrastructure, cooling systems, electrical installations, and technical services that support large resort operations. Another major Jamaican tourism project linked to Sampol is H10 Ocean Coral Spring, one of the large Spanish-invested resort developments along Jamaica's North Coast tourism corridor. The company is also heavily involved in airport infrastructure. Sampol lists works at Sancts International Airport among its international airport projects. The company globally specializes in airport energy systems, control systems, telecommunications, lighting, and operational infrastructure. One of the most important new projects involving Sampol in Jamaica is the energy infrastructure for the planned Unico Hotel Montego Bay luxury resort development by RCD Hotels. Sampol signed a 12-year agreement to design, build, operate, and maintain a hybrid energy plant for the project. The Unico project is significant because it represents advanced, sustainable energy infrastructure being integrated directly into Jamaica's tourism sector. All right, guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.